Hello gardeners, I just want to share with you this butterfly that I noticed here on my marigolds. Look at it, just look at this. I get so many butterflies in my garden and bees as well. So I just threw these seeds in the ground here. And marigolds are actually supposed to be good for deterring pests and insects from your vegetables, and I have paired them with nasturtiums growing in the same bed. And look at this, how big it's become. We've had lots of rain this year and everything is just growing in abundance. Having another look. Oh, and there it goes, there it goes, there it goes. There goes the butterfly. There goes the butterfly. I'll be sharing more with you on my garden in another video. Please like, share and subscribe, as it helps the channel grow. And thank you so much from my garden to yours. Bye for now.